Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll be serving this nutritious, smooth and creamy mango smoothie. Mango is a superfruit that is rich in fiber and vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. I'll be using 2 Julie mangoes and 1 East Indian, along with 1 ripe banana and 1 cup of milk. I'll be using soya milk, but you can use any milk of your choice, such as dairy or almond. More nutrition facts. Vitamin C helps to build our immune systems. And mango is the sweetest, juiciest fruit you can find anywhere. Don't believe me? Check this out. Which fruit do you believe is sweeter than mangoes? Let me know in the comment section below. If you've made it this far, then you're a real one. Comment juicy mango in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe, click that notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.